Hi, thanks for joining me today for the motivational quote of the day. And today's quote is by John Lennon. And John Lennon says that when he was 5 years old, his mother used to always tell him that happiness was the key to life. Well, he went to school and they asked him at school what he wanted to be when he grew up. And he wrote down on his paper, happy. Well, they came back at him and told him, you obviously don't understand the assignment. To which John Lennon replied very innocently, you obviously don't understand life. And I thought that was such a beautiful quote. I think if you're not doing what you absolutely love and adore on a day-to-day basis, if the job or the profession that you are working at is taking away energy from you and is stealing your joie de vivre, stealing your thunder, then you need to start something that you absolutely love and adore and do it part-time and start to build that business part-time so that you can replace your full-time income and begin to do that which is your life passion. And so that is part of what I do. I help professionals and business owners, help them to do live video up to 10,000 attendees and up to 50 video participants at a time. So I hope you like, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and like it, and be sure to circle back around for all the free how-to training that I have on the YouTube channel, as well as the motivational quote of the day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.